Hello, I'm here with Justin Cross, owner of Durascapes here in McKinney, Texas. And he has got a really great company I would like to introduce you to, because I'm sure if you're like me, you've got some grass, you've got some shrubs, and flowers, you're gonna need some help with those from time to time. So Justin, tell us about your services, your service area, and kind of maybe some fun tips getting us prepared for fall temperatures.
Absolutely. So I handle lawn maintenance just in the McKinney area, and I handle installation pretty much anywhere out and design anywhere outside of the McKinney area. So if you're in the McKinney area, I do just the regular landscape maintenance, mowing, trimming, winter care, fall prep, all the above, spring annuals. And so a lot of the bigger jobs I do farther out. So Dallas, gone as far as Fort Worth area.
Wow, that's far.
And I love doing like the ranches, doing the intros for those. I even do a lot of stuff that just doesn't need irrigation, because lots of folks don't have irrigation up there for the ranches up in, if you go north of here.
Interesting. Now, do you do design and installation as well for like new home builds and commercial properties?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep, I do commercial properties, I do renovations, all of the above.
Okay, fantastic. Well, you also told me something the other day that I thought was great. You also, for those of you who enjoy parties or holiday times, you can install party lights or holiday lights.
Yes, I do Christmas lights as well. Just getting into the advertising season for that. You want to make sure you're ahead of the game there.
Absolutely, because those bulbs run out at the store and the strings, and so that's also something fun that you can do for the festive times around the year.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, Justin, you've got a really interesting name for your company. Can you tell us a little bit about that? And also, I know a lot of our viewers want to know, as we are moving into the hot summer, and also for water conservation, what are some great types of landscapes and how to have a successful, nice looking yard throughout the year?
Well, part of the battle with landscaping is literally battling our climate here, because we have a dry season like we are in now, where we have no water. We have the wet season, spring and August, where we have buckets of it, and random freezes all throughout the winter that could kill a lot of the non-native landscaping. So part of it is just researching the area. I call the company Durascapes because I wanted to plant landscapes that will last. That's actually my slogan, landscaping that lasts.
That's a great slogan.
Because a lot of
mine's not lasting. I don't have a green thumb, so I'm not doing very well, and I neglect my plants, so I definitely need your help.
Exactly, and most of what I do is try to come up with plants that will thrive on neglect. And there's a few of them out there that are just really common plants. Like you got your hollies, your boxwoods, a few different ornamental grasses that everyone uses. But if you go with only those, it ends up looking boring.
Yes.
And so the main thing that I do that is really the hobby that drives this company and drives my career is doing research to figure out what kind of plants, pulling in new plants, figuring out what kind of environment they thrive in, and using them here in landscape.
Well, also something to let y'all know, if you're into succulents, you are a master succulent designer, and we maintain them very well. So we'll have to do another segment one day when he can show you how to use your planters and put in succulents and have them grow, and something that you've created beautifully in a lot of different landscapes throughout the area. So.
Oh yeah, they're awesome accents. I love using those.
They're fun. They're different.
Plants, yes.
So if you're looking for something different and unique, Justin with Durascapes definitely is your guy.